Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlockPool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the GoPro Hero Smart Remote. This is the remote for the GoPro Hero 6 Black Edition. Okay, I have my handy knife. Let's open the box. There's a security sticker at the top that we have to cut through. Wrong way. Oopsie. Okay, everything fell out. Good. The box is empty. Okay, so what did actually fall out? This is the remote itself. It's a fairly tiny affair. On and off button, option button, shoot button, and a little display. There's a little strap. Let's take this rubber off of it, that you can put on your arm or whatever you want to attach it to. And there is a little charging cable. Let's see how long it is, but it looks fairly short. Yes, I would say 20 centimeters. And there is a little metal hook, metal ring that you can use to attach it to something. Okay, and there is a lock switch at the back. Let me focus. There we go. Here's the lock switch. You would actually put this through like that and attach it from the outside to your arm. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 6 remote control.